So dí gcuid gachtainna tá ivertí a gcuin inis tá sé ar leathanach céad is a né, okay? So céad is a né agus an nachana nua, which is a new phrase, is bralum a bheith ag. So tá sé sin éasca galore. Is bralum a bheith ag. So it's how we say I love to do whatever. So an seo is bralum a bheith ag díspóireacht. Tá is bralum a bheith ag marcíocht, ag iascracht, so horse riding, ag iascracht, fishing, ag immert pella. I know a lot of you love to ag immert pella. Ag snáb, ag léamh, ag féachant. What's ag féachant? Looking. Ag ománíocht, so ag hurling. Ag smuoinmh, so that's one that comes up, and I had it in your spellings, I think. Ag smuoinmh is just to think. Ag smuoinmh. Ag smuoinmh. Ag scátáil, which is skating. Ag immert kisfella, so ag immert kisfella is basketball. Agus ag rochíocht, which is to cycle. Okay, so horse riding, fishing, playing football, swimming, reading, looking, hurling, thinking, skating, playing basketball, and riding a bicycle. Okay, so there are all the different ones that are there now. And the first one is done for you. Is bralum a bheith ag immert golf? Is bralum a bheith ag, and the picture is there beside you. Is bralum a bheith ag. So you have to just go down and look at all of those. Fécar an picture agus tá lead ounce a picture. There's hints in the picture as to what you have to do. Okay, tá sé sin. So tá na abertí an seo agus just tá nachana nua eile gin bhain na páistí an taitneamh as an lá. So that means they got a lot of enjoyment out of the day. So tá picture an seo bhain na páistí an taitneamh as seachtain na leabhar. An dar account bhain an múntóir an taitneamh as an díspóireacht. The teacher got a lot of enjoyment out of the debate. Agus bhain daddy agus mommy an taitneamh as an glutha pella. So mommy and daddy got a lot of enjoyment out of the football match. Okay, so just win trilas agus fecha mé go mark. Slán.